So today I will show you why Sora 2 Pro is much better than the basic Sora 2. First of all, I am using this platform called Arcades. You can basically create different videos from different models. You can also create talking actors, but first of all, I will show you the comparison between Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. As you can see here, I can make Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Kling, also the latest VO 3.1. I can also choose from 4 seconds to 12 seconds for Sora, vertical and horizontal, and basically how high is the quality, 720 or 1080p. So the first video is this guy basically doing tricks on a roof in Russia, and after he falls, he's blaming America for some reason.
This is stupid. You know why? America, they make all tricks look easy.
So this is Sora 2. Let's check Sora 2 Pro. So here's the video.
Блядь. My knee, this is America's fault, you know? They make all the...
So as you can see, this looks much more realistic. Also the background, also he has some blood on his face. He looks like he just fell down. So the first video, I give it for Sora 2 Pro. The next comparison will basically show you why Sora 2 is much better when we are making, for example, videos like these ones where there are big crowds. So this is the first video, basically audience of the UFC. And in the seats there is somewhere a cat, so here you can see the cat. But pay attention to the people. So let's see the other video.
Man, that combo was nasty.
Here's something weird.
Buzzing, dude.
So I think this is the best example. This was the best generation out of 4 videos that generated with the same prompt. So this is the next video. As you can see, we have some frozen people right here, right here. Let's check the next video. And here again, frozen people. For some reason, Sora 2, the basic one, cannot create a crowd of people moving by themselves. Now let's see the Sora 2 Pro version.
You got heavy hands. Look at that. Oh! Right on the button.
So as you can see, people are moving on their own. Everyone is doing something different, so it looks ultra realistic. Also, the cat is ultra realistic. Let's see the second video. Second example.
Oh, they're going for it. Yeah, keep it standing.
So people are moving as they should, but the cat is a little bit weird. Right now, the ears look really weird, but again, it could generate thousands of views on social media because there is some weirdness to the video.
Yeah, keep it standing.
But overall, as you can see, Sora 2 Pro creates much better crowds with people, and this is the final video with the UFC audience.
He caught that jab so quick.
Yeah, he's finding the range now.
Look at this crowd, man.
Wild.
Dude, that's crazy.
So as you can see, everyone is moving, everything is all alive in this video. The cat is a little bit weird, but that's how I basically found out that Sora 2 doesn't do well with generating audiences. Sora 2 Pro does it perfectly. Also, I created this trailer of Stephen Hawking, basically horror trailer.
Terror has a new name. This Halloween, terror has a new name. Stephen Hawking is the cosmic killer.
No, stay away from me!
In a rampage of science and slaughter, no one can escape the theory of terror. This Halloween.
And the best part about this is that if you search Stephen Hawking, basically how he looked when he was young in his 20s and 30s, this is actually how he looks. If you try this on Sora 2, you will get really bad examples, something that looks similar to Stephen Hawking, but still doesn't look like him. And this trailer is spot on. The trailer on Sora 2 Basic 1 looks quite weird. It is really choppy, but on the Pro, it looks insane. So here you can see I basically generated multiple videos basically Oktoberfest, the beer festival in Germany, and the man's basically filming himself. And he says, "Here comes the beer," and the beer just falls on him.
Here comes the beer.
Excuse me, coming through.
Oh, whoa.
Oh no.
So this was the best generation of all of them. Everything else was really weird and didn't basically work out. And the funny thing about Sora 2 is that in 90% of the time, the first generation of a video comes out the best one. After you try to create different ones or the next ones, they will come worse and worse. That's in my experience. So let's see the same prompt for Sora 2 Pro on arcades. Also, the link for the arcades will be down in the description. So let's see the video. This is the first one.
Here comes the beer. Damn, how do they never drop any of the... Oh my god. Here comes the beer.
So the video is great. I think the gravity and the mechanics, the handheld camera looks much more realistic for Sora 2. The handheld is still better than for VO3, but for basically Sora 2 Pro, the handheld aspect is so much better. So this is another great example.
Here comes the beer.
So as you can see, he basically is the phone is handheld, the camera is basically he's recording himself. And when the bartender crashes in him, it looks so realistic. So the Sora 2 Pro wins in this again. Let's see something else. So there is this video that someone created on Sora 2. The prompt is crazy. So this looks really, really great for arcades. Let's see. I mean for Sora 2 Pro on arcades. So as you can see, it doesn't look as good. The other thing is that we don't know how many generations the user did, because this is the first and only generation that I did. Maybe he did like 10 generations and one of them was so great that he posted. So here is a real life authentic VHS camcorder footage. So in the footage is basically the camera focused on the fence, behind it something tall and dark watches, then slowly steps back into the shadows. Why do the eyes look like it's from Cat? So basically it says something tall and dark watches. So something tall and dark is this guy, but the eyes are right here. The eyes should be, I think, on the guy that is watching. So let's see what the Sora 2 Pro came up with. Basically the same prompt, but here's the result. So as you can see, this actually has eyes to the, and this is much taller. I think the whole handheld aspect of camcorder looks more authentic for Sora 2 Pro. But still, the Sora 2 video was great as well. I think the Sora 2 Pro is better because this guy is moving much more creepy. And one of the best aspects is that Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro can make an insanely professional advertisement. So this is for Aston Martin.
By hand, forged in precision and unleashed on every road it touches. Aston Martin, engineered for a born of obsession.
So let's see. This is the first video. This is the second one.
Born on the coast, shaped by hand, and engineered to perfection. Interior crafted for those who command detail. Power that surges to 715 horse.
So if you're working in a ad space, you can actually create insane advertisements for companies. You can also write the prompts because this is really simple. Professional Aston Martin car advertisement showing the driving and manufacturing and the design. So really simple prompt. You can write the prompt much more complicated and more complex. and basically make insanely great advertisements of anything you wish. So overall, the Sora 2 Pro videos look much better than the basic Sora 2, but what I love about Arcad's platform specifically is that you can basically create talking actors. So for example, you can write a simple text prompt, you can choose one of 1,000 plus actors and make videos like these ones.
Handheld's AI is the creative engine for the next generation of storytellers. A platform where anyone can generate cinematic worlds, lifelike characters, and immersive video scenes with a single prompt. Whether you're
so this is the first one. Here is another one.
Arcad's AI is the creative engine for the next generation of storytellers, a platform where anyone can generate cinematic worlds, lifelike characters, and immersive video scenes.
So basically saw the talking actors. I will show you some more. So add actors, and here you can basically choose female or male, both of them. So young adult, senior, kid. When you scroll down, you can basically scroll down to infinity. There are so many examples, even basically actors that are talking while speaking. So in my opinion, the walking aspect will make it seem like it is so real that they won't see the weird facial errors that AI is usually making, or the lip sync that is not spot on. That's why I think our Arcades is the best platform for specifically for AI actors, and plus you can get Sora 2, Veo 3.1, the latest and the best basically video generation tools. But yeah, I think there are so many use cases that you can use these talking actors for, also in really high quality. You can even choose what type of situation: AI avatar, airport, bathroom, beach, gym. So they have basically made it so it is quite easy for you to figure out what type of actors you want. Also, for example, some food vlogs or food reviews, you can use these specific actors that are making food or just talking in a kitchen. And you don't have to believe me, that link will be in the description below for the Arcades. And as you can see, I have generated at least 50 videos with Sora 2 Pro in Arcades platform. And also there are some great features. For example, here are scenes. You can basically prompt anything the actors should say and do up to 8 seconds with audio. Here is show your app. Basically you take a screenshot of basically your application or something you want, and this will create a as you can see, generate a short showcase clip of some AI avatar. And the next one is unboxing. You can basically upload your product image, and this platform will generate an unboxing point of view clip. So again, really great if you don't want to show your face, or you want to showcase your product, or on Instagram or TikTok or wherever you want. You can use this tool as well. So there are really great tools for basically for influencers or for content creators on Arcades. So yeah, again, link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha, AI stuff like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.